Using the Meetings tool in HubSpot. Welcome to today's video on using the Meetings tool in HubSpot. In this video, we'll be exploring how to schedule meetings with potential clients and team members and how to use this tool to streamline your sales process. The Meetings tool in HubSpot allows you to schedule meetings with potential clients and team members and also provides a calendar view of all upcoming meetings. To get started, navigate to the Meetings tab in your HubSpot account and click on the Schedule Meeting button. To schedule a meeting, simply enter the name and email address of the person you'd like to meet with, and choose a date and time that works for both of you. You can also add a brief description of the meeting and any relevant attachments. One of the key benefits of using the Meetings tool in HubSpot is that it allows you to see all of your upcoming meetings in one place. This makes it easy to plan and manage your schedule, and to ensure that you're always available to meet with potential clients. You can also use the Meetings tool to send reminders to attendees and to track the status of meetings. For example, you can set a reminder to send a follow-up email to attendees after the meeting, or to update the meeting status to completed once the meeting has taken place. By using the Meetings tool in HubSpot, you can streamline your sales process and make it easier to schedule meetings with potential clients and team members. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.